Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Measure and organize all ingredients before starting. 120 g butter, 200 g dark chocolate, 150 g sugar, 2 eggs, 90 g plain flour, 30 g cocoa, pinch of salt, 1 tsp vanilla, and 100 g Kinder bars. Preheat oven to 180 degrees C so it stabilizes while you mix. Line and grease a 20 cm square pan with parchment leaving an overhang to lift brownies out. Chop Kinder bars into roughly 1 cm pieces and set aside. Melt 120 g butter and 200 g dark chocolate together in a heat-proof bowl over simmering water or microwave in 30-second bursts for 2-3 minutes, stirring until smooth. Cool for 5 minutes. Whisk 2 eggs with 150 g sugar and 1 tsp vanilla until glossy. Drizzle in chocolate and fold. Sift in 90 g flour, 30 g cocoa, and pinch of salt and fold just until combined. Fold in 80 g chopped Kinder bars. Spread into the prepared 20 cm pan and bake at 180 degrees C for 20-25 minutes. When brownies come out of the oven, press the remaining 20 g chopped Kinder bars into the hot surface so they melt slightly and form a glossy top. Cool in the pan on a rack for 10 minutes, then chill uncovered in the fridge for 30 minutes to set the fudgy interior and make slicing clean. Use a hot, dry knife between cuts to get neat edges and cut into 12 equal squares. Store in the fridge up to 4 days or freeze airtight for up to 1 month. Reheat a single square 10 seconds in microwave to soften.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.